after going through the report and the findings of the IDRS under Article 74, Section 2 of the party constitution, the NEC unanimously resolved to adopt the committee's recommendation and endorsed the removal from office of Senator Edwin Watenya Sifuna. Effectively, Senator Sifuna ceases to be the Secretary General of the ODM party. In defending its position on the matter, the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal, PPDT, had this to say: the day any official of a party becomes above the law, so to speak, will be the day of the funeral of political party democracy in Kenya.